Welcome back to the channel. All right guys, so I'm on a project that I haven't even seen. I've been in business long enough where I get calls, hey Paul, I need you to go fix a water damaged ceiling. So I show up and I just got to have the materials hopefully that I need to get her done. On this project, it was a roof leak during the hurricane. So I'm here and I'm going to make a video series of how to assess a drywall repair project. And I have so many tips and tricks that I'm going to put in this video series. But here in part one, I'm going to show you how to assess the project and also how to figure out how big the repair is going to be. I'll also later on in this series show you how to match the skip trowel texture and also match the crow's foot texture on the walls. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. All right, so we got a little project here. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough. They had a roof leak. They're putting the house on the market, so they kind of just want me to repair what needs to repair. There's a hole in it, so I can put my finger through it basically. You can see the water stains. The roof has been fixed. All right, we got one more. It's a small area on the wall. It's just kind of blistered up. So I'm gonna scrape that back and see what's going on. We're thinking hopefully we'll be able to prime it with some kills, skim coat it, and then match the texture. Let's dig into the ceiling. All right, so I'm going to use my 6-inch taping knife and my mud pan to catch any debris. I'm just going to scrape off the loose layer and see how stout that drywall is underneath. I mean, it's pretty obvious that there's a little soft spots that I'm going to have to cut out and replace. But again, like I said in the beginning of the video, homeowners are putting the house on the market. They want to get it repaired right, but they don't want to break the bank. So I'm going to try and accommodate that. But once I start digging into this, it is what it is. That's a skip trowel texture on the ceiling that I'll be matching in a later video. This has been repaired before. We got a piece of fiberglass mesh tape that you can see the joint compound's not even stuck to it. I'd have to assume that they used a all-purpose joint compound on the first coat. Per manufacturer specifications, always use a setting type compound for the first coat over fiberglass mesh tape. It's crucial or you're going to have your tape fail right off the bat. Okay, so that's pretty soft. It's getting bigger. The good thing is the ceiling's dry, so I don't have to worry about it leaking again or anything like that. I'm just kind of banging around, seeing how far out I'm going to need to cut this drywall out. The good thing is there's a rafter on that side, and then the other side I'm just going to have to put a furring strip in. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go out to the van and grab, I've got a little scrap piece of 1/2 inch drywall and a furring strip and my drywall square. And I'm gonna trace out a piece and cut out everything that's rotten. But first I'm gonna cut out this water bubble. All right, so I'm just gonna take a razor knife and cut it back and hopefully be able to stop this from peeling too far back. I'm gonna use my mud pan to catch most of this debris. All right, so I'm gonna hit this spot with Kills because it's kind of a dusty surface. You wanna be sure to shake your can of Kills real good before you start spraying. This is gonna help with the adhesion and also any water spots or anything from bleeding through after you paint. Coming up in part 2, I'm going to show you how to determine how big of a piece of drywall you're going to need. I'm also going to show you how to cut the piece of drywall and a couple tricks for that. Once the drywall's cut, I've got a trick for getting the perfect cut every time and fit of the new piece of drywall. I'll also show you in the next video how to add a furring strip, cut the furring strip, and attach the furring strip above the ceiling. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video series. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.